At NYSUT's Train the Trainer, educators are turning passion into power, learning to lead the change, champion equity, and build stronger locals together.
I'm at Train the Trainers here in Albany, New York, and I wanted to get involved, and I took some online trainings, and they had mentioned that you can actually also be a trainer post the workshops. So I said, I want to do this. I want to represent the next generation of teachers. I want to be a different face for them and hopefully be an advocate.
I am one of the trainers at Train the Trainers, and what it means to me is that I get to take what I am passionate about, which is reversing runaway inequality, and teach others about it and make them more aware of it, and show them a ton of resources to keep up to date and how things are changing in our ever-changing world.
Once I saw what NYSUT had to offer, not only providing the training for me, but for me to be able to take it and use it.
One thing that stands out from the last workshop that I was at was being able to have conversations with colleagues from across the state of New York and really discussing what implicit bias means to different people based on their own experiences and how we can come to a common understanding of what that is so that we can bring it back to our cities.
As a school psychologist, I am typically off for the summer, but I chose to take this time off to be here for the Train the Trainer because I'm really excited to bring back to my home school district ways to be better about social justice. One thing that sticks out in my mind is developing a better understanding of what we all bring to the table and how we can better use our existing knowledge and learn more knowledge to best serve the children that we work with.